Don't know, but this is very less known function in Excel. But when I learned it, I must say you will never use maximum and minimum function anymore. This is very useful to teachers who create reports and results. So let's see and understand this. I will explain this as simple as possible. So as you can see here, I have some numbers written here and I will show you not one but three ways by which you can make most of this function. So this is what I want. First I want to see which is the first largest number in this list, and then I want to know the second largest number in the same series. And last I want to see the top three largest numbers at once. So type equal to large and select it from drop down list by double clicking on it. Now it will ask you two things here, array and k. So simply select the cells like this and then press comma. Now here, because I want to see the first largest number, so I will type 1 here. Add a closing bracket and then you are done. Now in the next type, follow the same formula, but we want to see second largest number. That's why we will type 2 here in the k value. Press enter to see the result. Here comes the last one. We want to see the top 3 largest numbers now. But to do this, there is a trick. Select the 3 cells like this and then come over here to type your formula. It is very important that you type your formula here. So type equal to large, double click on the large from drop down list, select the array cells and press comma. Here you must insert curly bracket and then type 1, 2, 3 and then close it with curly bracket again. Still this formula is not complete. Add a closing bracket and now you have to press Ctrl plus Shift plus enter. This will show you the top 3 largest numbers in selected cells. I want you to take a closer look at this formula here. There are few main things which we should not miss in order to see the correct result. First, don't forget to add curly brackets when we want to see multiple results, just like when we want top 3 largest numbers in our case. Second, you must end the formula by Ctrl, Shift and Enter. Now, when you see your formula, you can see there are extra curly brackets in our entire formula. So those would come only if you press Ctrl plus Shift plus Enter. So where this can be used, you will ask. We can use this function to know what is the maximum score some student has awarded with, or what are the top 3 largest scored marks. You can imagine how useful it would be to scan and fetch the results from a huge Excel spreadsheet. I hope now you can easily apply it in your data and get the required results fast and accurate. If you think this was good, then please like and subscribe to our channel to stay updated with content like this. See you next time. Till then, take care. Bye bye.